Hey everyone, this is Pawan Farswan and welcome to Thorenzi. Here, we explore everything from tech to trends, business to breakthroughs, bringing you the best insights and strategies. Let's dive in. What is inference in machine learning? Inference in machine learning is the process of using a trained model to make predictions or decisions on new, unseen data. Once a model is trained, it is operationalized by applying it to real-world inputs to generate outputs. For example, a model trained to detect cats in images will use inference to identify cats in new pictures. Inference versus training. 1. Training. Learning. The phase where a model learns patterns from labeled data. Inference. The stage where the trained model applies its knowledge to unseen data to generate predictions. Inference engines. An inference engine refers to the hardware or software system that performs inference tasks. These are commonly used in image recognition, speech processing, and autonomous systems for real-time decision-making. Types of inference. 1. Statistical inference. Estimates properties of probability distributions. Bayesian Inference updates probabilities based on new data using Bayes' theorem. Causal Inference determines cause and effect relationships. 4. Algorithmic Inference focuses on computational models for statistical learning. Grammatical Inference learns formal grammar from observations. Approximate Inference balances computational complexity with accuracy. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Thorenzi for more amazing content. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.